If you guys are trying to get some really cool doors, really cool speaker locations, multiple drivers in the doors of your vehicle or on the A-pillars of your vehicle, CustomSpeakerPods.com has got you covered in a relatively easy to install setup. If you guys are interested in some of this equipment and being able to play with the big dogs without spending thousands of dollars and hours of doing all this crazy work, click the link down below to head over to CustomSpeakerPods.com, and that's an affiliate link, which means I get a little kickback from that. And there is a discount code down below, capital C, capital A, capital E. Use that code whenever you're checking out for a discount on your purchase.
All right, guys, let's see what we got. CustomSpeakerPods.com, and provided I can get in here. I'm gonna tell you, man, USPS was slow as Christmas about moving this. I don't know what to expect in here. We're gonna find out together. There ain't no hiding anything around here. All right, good deal. This is for a project. Oh, we got a cozy, got a sticker, got thumb covers. We'll cover all this stuff. Look at this, guys. These are on fire right here. Let me show you. Let's see, that is a cool speaker grill, right? Look at that, clean. That's the stainless, the brushed stainless look. Of course, they're all made out of this real high impact ABS plastic, but it gives you this nice look. Now, you can choose many different types of appearances. These are just the ones that I chose to go in Tahoe. What else we got up in here? Y'all going to get to see this go into action. It's going to be good. Y'all just hang tight for that. All right. Set my swag and my stuff over there. Not over tighten hardware. Yeah. Warning. Warning. What we got up in here? Up in here. Up in here. Uh-oh, what was that? Something fell down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. A lanyard. I do love a lanyard. Put that around my neck right now. Now, down in here, very well packaged, might I add, are my pods. These are going to go on the doors. So we got one pod, and we got, oh yeah, and we got our other pod, and come on, let go. Dang, just got to get violent with it sometimes. And then we got one for the video that this one's going to be in. Y'all are going to love this action. Just a heads up. That looks like the end of the unboxing. Good times right there. Let the cats play with that sucker because of course they will. Let's have a look here so you can see we have a left and a right pod. Now once the drivers, we'll just go ahead and test the machete in here. The machetes are a tad bit, just a tiny bit bigger than your standard issue 6.5. So let's do a test fit. This is a standard issue 6.5 coaxial. drops right in there and seals up nicely. And we'll put us a thump cover on top of that. And that's essentially how that would look. You know, you position it how you want to and whatnot. But that gives you an idea how that's going to go. Now let's try a slightly larger driver. These are just a tiniest bit bigger than your standard issue, and it is snug. So that gives you an idea. Now, for one of these drivers, you might need to take and do just a little bit of sanding or a little bit of trimming to make this work, but it will go in here. So I knew it was going to be tight. That's why I wanted to test it. Most drivers are just going to drop right in, but some are going to require a little bit of massaging. So you can do that with sandpaper or a file or anything just to kind of round the hole out just a little bit extra. I'd rather them be tight as loose, and that's a big thing. So I always prefer my cutouts to be a little bit snug. That way I can always trim them up. You can't really trim them, you know, smaller, but you can make them a little bigger. Now let's test. Let me see, get one of these that I can easily get the ring off of. There we go. Actually, we'll leave the ring on here since it's going to be on there. We're going to do this all of this is live. Well, not really live, but it's all on the fly. So we're going to do it all on the fly. And we're going to see if we can just slide this bad boy in here. And look at that. Boom. It was right in there. So, okay, so on the tweeters, you have these little tabs right here where you connect your wires, right? And the holes cut out exactly to fit these tweeters. So what we're going to have to do is create a little notch in these holes on the edges to be able to slide the tweeter in and get it past the rim. Just a little notch. It doesn't take much. Just maybe like a little 1/8 of an inch or so on either side to be able to fit those tabs past this. And so you guys know if you have tweeters that are maximum size to fit in there, you may end up doing something similar to that. However, most tweeters come with these mounting flanges like this. So if you were using a tweeter that's a little bit smaller, you probably wouldn't run into that problem. However, this is perfectly normal for installing a speaker in any situation. You've always got some little things that you may have to work around, and that's one of them. So there you go. I'm missing the hardware. Did I put it somewhere? Did I overlook it? Well, okay. Okay, guys, so there was a mistake in shipping. And being as customspeakerpods.com is a family-owned, run, and operated business, they hand make all the products. The family does, and they hand package and hand ship a small group of people, a small family, everything, and sometimes mistakes happen. So I went to customspeakerpods.com and used the chat feature, and Paige immediately responded to my request that I had no hardware in this package, and said that he would immediately ship hardware to me. So we're going to get that hardware. I am going to be able to proceed with the install because I already do have the hardware from the speaker pods that I have installed right now, and it's the same hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with that. But mistakes do happen, and things do get forgotten sometimes. The most important takeaway is that the immediacy of the customer service and the willingness to, without any argument or any question, ship that hardware to me because it had been forgotten, is a testament to the quality of the customer service and the attention to the customer and making sure the customers are happy that customspeakerpods.com always provides. In the past, I had placed an order for the pods I have now in my Tahoe, and I accidentally ordered 2 sets of pods. And I sent a message in on a late Saturday night. It was like, I don't know, it was like close to midnight. It was Saturday night, explaining that I had accidentally ordered 2 sets of pods. And Sunday morning, I got an email back from Paige saying that he had refunded the price of those sets and fixed the order and put the money back on my account, so I didn't lose any money. That first interaction that I had with customspeakerpods.com was the reason why I continued to do business with them. And that was the reason why I always push the product that they sell. They research, design, create the products all here in the United States. It's a family-owned and run business, and they provide an excellent service to people who need a product to be able to enhance their stereo system, and they do it in a very personable way and a very honest and open way, and I can totally respect that. And I have no issue with the fact that there was a small discrepancy in the shipment that I got. And I'm more impressed now than even before at how quickly they responded to my message, which is literally seconds, and how quickly and willing they were to fix the problem, and to ship me the necessary stuff. So all is well. I just wanted to clear that up. This is not scripted. This is not, I have no idea this was a thing, that there was going to be something missing in this package. What you see with me unboxing is literally my first time opening the package. I had no idea what to expect, and I'm just telling you like it is, and with all the goods and bads. So, on that note, we're going to proceed with the installation. I've got to do some tear out, and I've got to do a whole lot of physical work, and we're going to do that. And I've also got a video coming up where we are going to try to destroy, we're going to try hard to destroy something that's pretty much indestructible. They can be destroyed. Everything has the potential to be destroyed, but I want you guys to see just how rugged this equipment is. These thump covers, speaker grills, are crazy tough. And if you're trying to protect your drivers and keep them getting damaged from feet getting kicked in and out, running in and out, and other objects that like to get into your expensive equipment, something like this is going to prevent that from happening. And so that is a big thing for me. Anyway, that was the unboxing. So the next few videos are going to be me sweating a lot and being very tired, but it's going to be fun. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell. That way you'll get notifications when these videos come up. And I appreciate you guys. I hope you appreciate me. And I definitely appreciate Paige at customspeakerpods.com for the honesty and integrity that I've come to expect from this company. So guys, I can't stress it enough. These are good people, and they deserve your business. Peace, guys.